The countdown has begun for aspirants of the UPSC EPFO exam 2025. The Union Public Service Commission UPSC is set to release the highly anticipated UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025 in the third week of November 2025. But here's where it gets crucial. If you're among the thousands who applied for the Enforcement Officer EO, Accounts Officer AO, or Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner APFC roles, you'll need to act fast. The exam is scheduled for November 30th, 2025, and the admit card is your golden ticket to the exam hall. And this is the part most people miss. The admit card will only be available on the official website, upsc.gov.in, so bookmark it now. Why this matters? The UPSC EPFO recruitment is one of the most sought-after opportunities in the public sector, offering competitive salaries and prestigious roles. For instance, selected candidates for EO/AO positions will be placed at level 8 in the pay matrix, while APFC roles are at level 10, as per the 7th CPC. But with great opportunity comes fierce competition. Controversial question, is the age relaxation for reserved categories fair, or does it tilt the playing field? Let's discuss in the comments. Key details at a glance. Admit card release, 3rd week of November 2025. Exam date, November 30th, 2025. Exam location, various centres across Delhi. Application fee, rupees 25. General, nil for female SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Age limits varies by category. For example, 30 years for UR/EWS for EO/AO. 35 years for UR/EWS for APFC. How to download your admit card? Downloading your admit card is straightforward, but here's a step-by-step guide to ensure you don't miss anything. 1. Visit the official website. Go to upsc.gov.in. https://upsc.gov/in. Navigate to Admit Card section. Click on the Admit Card tab on the homepage. Bind the link. Look for UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025 and click on it. 4. Enter details. Input your registration number, date of birth, and capture code. 5. Submit and download. Click Submit, download the admit card, and print it for exam day. Pro tip, keep a digital copy handy and double-check all details for accuracy. Mistakes could cost you your seat. Important links resources. Apply online. upscoonline.nic.in. https://online.nic. Official notification. UPSC EPFO Notification 2025. https://govt.in/sites/default/special advert no 52 2025. Join our community. Stay updated via our Telegram channel, https://eme free job alert officially, or WhatsApp channel, https://whatsapp.com/0029VAA1ECQ1. Final thoughts. The UPSC EPFO exam 2025 is more than just a test. It's a gateway to a rewarding career. But with the admit card release just around the corner, time is of the essence. Bold question. Do you think the UPSC selection process is transparent enough? Share your thoughts below. Don't wait until the last minute. Visit upsc.gov.in, http://epsc.gov.in today, and stay ahead of the curve. Good luck, and may your preparation pay off.